traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar CAD, we are at the 78%, and I still think this looks like an A, possible B, and possibly down for a wave C. Now, like I've been saying, it doesn't totally agree with the dollar index. The dollar index looks like it could keep going up. So this could possibly keep going up also, which luckily we're just going to be trading with the flow. So if it does keep going up, it shouldn't be too much of a big deal. Going down to the weekly time frame, like I said, I still think this looks like a wave A. I still think that looks like an A, B, C of B. I still think there is a pretty good likelihood that this will make a downtrend for a big wave C, which would likely take out both of these lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still up on the daily. We have to keep in mind that there's no break of structure, there's no lower high, there's no reason yet at all to say that this uptrend is over. Honestly, it kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and it might even go all the way back up for wave 5. So keep that in mind as you go down, because on the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely down. We do have a break of structure to the downside, but that break of structure to the downside may just tell us that this wave is over, and if that wave is a wave 3, and this wave is a wave 4, then that would make a lot of sense for this to go up and make a wave 5. So going right down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, this might end up just continuing the uptrend from here. I mean, like I said, the daily trend is up for sure. But to me, it looks like a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that's true, then this may just be a wave A. And this actually is just going to end up forming like an ABC of B, which would probably take out this high right here, and then potentially back down for a wave C, making a more proper looking ABC correction. So we definitely did get a break to the upside, so I would be looking for longs. I would be expecting this move up to be a correction to the move down like a wave B. But while you're looking for longs, if it just keeps on going and going and going and going, that's really good news for us. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.